In this video, I'll show you how to open the hood of your Honda Fit. This is great for the first gen, for the second gen, and even the more recent ones. This is a first gen. So go in the driver's footwell inside. Right over there, okay, let me show you. This is the hood latch. Pull it completely up. You can even do it multiple times just to make sure. Let's go in the front of the car. And over here, the hood will have a small gap. Now glide your fingers right where the Honda logo is, okay, right above it. All right, and then go slightly towards the left. You're gonna find a latch that you need to pull up and pull the hood at the same time. It will make more sense in a few seconds. All right, let me just put the hood up. Now this rod is broken, but usually you're gonna put your rod attached there. So the latch I was talking about is this one. So once you put your fingers, you see it slightly towards the left of the Honda logo. You'll need to push it up to unlatch completely the hood, and then you'll be able to open it and have access to the engine bay. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.